Sending a snap on Snapchat without triggering a media upload typically means you want to either appear as if you're sending a snap without actually uploading a photo or video to Snapchat servers, or avoid consuming data while still interacting with the app in some way. Here's what you need to know. There's no official way to send snaps without uploading media. Snapchat is designed to send real-time media photos and videos that are uploaded to their servers, encrypted end-to-end. This means any actual snap, photo, or video must be uploaded to function properly. However, depending on what your goal is, here are a few workarounds or clarifications. Open Snapchat. Cover the camera lens or point it at a black surface. Press the shutter button, take a black picture. Add minimal text or emoji. Send it. Technically, this is still a media upload, but contains little to no content. If your intent is just to message someone without uploading a media file, use the chat feature instead of sending a snap. Also, you can take a blank/black snap, add Bitmoji or stickers only. This creates a snap with minimal data being uploaded. In the past, people used a trick like make a snap photo or video. Turn on airplane mode. This turns off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try to send the snap. Then turn airplane mode off again. Snapchat would hold the snap and act like it was sent, even though it wasn't really uploaded yet. But now, this trick doesn't work well anymore because Snapchat has updated the app and fixed it. Which step works for you? Leave your experience in the comment. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.